In the previous videos, we listened to experts on technology in English language learning who had a lot of different ideas about the future. In this final video, we ask you to consider your role as a futurist. Futurists make predictions about what is coming in the future based on their knowledge of the past, current technologies in their context, and predictions of others. I think that all English language teachers need to be futurists to some extent. But at the same time, English language teachers need to work in the real world by understanding what is possible in their own teaching context. In other words, English teachers need to keep a balance. In 2003, I wrote a book called English Language Learning and Technology. In that book, which you can find in the resource corner, I wrote about keeping that balance. Specifically, I wrote about 3 different perspectives on technology. One perspective is held by futurists, who tend to see the spread of technology as natural and positive. They are real technology supporters. A second perspective is held by pragmatists, who see their local setting as static and determining. So they can be a little negative because of the realities of everyday teaching in an institution. A third perspective is held by critical analysts, who are not overcome by everyday realities and who do not view technology as neutral and inevitable. As critical analysts, teachers can play a role in deciding how and when technology is integrated into English teaching and learning for their students. The balance among these 3 perspectives works well with your technological, pedagogical English language knowledge. You can find the balance among the futurist's vision of things to come, along with the pragmatist's view of local reality, and the critical analyst's view of technology as a resource for you to shape to meet your needs. These 3 perspectives together need to be constantly weighed to figure out what's needed for your students. So this brings us to looking more specifically at your role in creating the future. As a technology-using language teacher, you are joining a historical trend in the profession. Historically, the technology-using language teachers have been the innovators in English language teaching. We hope our course, Using Educational Technology in the English Language Classroom, has helped you to increase your technological, pedagogical English language knowledge. We now welcome you to the community of innovators in English language teaching.